This kiddo is so cute. So first things first, I'm just going to apply the concealer onto my lids per usual. And I'm almost out of my Instant Age Rewind concealer. It's crazy how much stuff that I'm almost out of just because I've been so consistent with my videos. Smash that thumbs up button. I've been putting in work, okay? Just know that it's gonna suck when I have to remove all of this. So I'm going to be using the JACLYN Hill Volume 2 palette. I'm going to first take the shade, what is it? Living My Best, which is the red one right here. And then I'm just going to blend that out into my crease and a little above. I love this brush. I'm using the BH Cosmetics number 8 brush. I swear it gets like so precise. And then as you guys can see, this shade is like so friggin' pigmented. So a little really goes a long way with all of these shadows in this palette. Like nothing but really good things. That's all I gotta say. Seriously living for this color. You guys are gonna hear my wife in the background playing some game with her family. We were playing earlier. It's so cool. Damn, I am so dehydrated. What the F? I need to upgrade the lights in my house just because the light is so yellow in the background that you guys can see the difference. Oh my god. I was looking hella yellow. But now I'm just gonna go into the shade Next. And I'm using BH Cosmetics number 6 brush. My outer V and bring it in. This is going all over my lid, by the way. So this is more of a very simple look. Sometimes, you know, I feel kind of into grunge makeup, so I just, you know, reach and try something different. Bring you guys a little bit closer. Right now I'm going to be using Empowered, which is just a like burgundy shimmer shade. And I haven't used this, but from the looks of it, it kind of looks like a wet. Oh my goodness, yes. Then in the center of the inner corner of my lid, I need to stop saying the center, whatever. I'm going to use I'm In It, which is just this beautiful iridescent, like white shadow. It has like these little specks of glitter. It's just so pretty. So I'm just gonna put that like right here. Like so. Look at girl. I love this shadow. It makes me like look so awake. I love it. It's so pretty. To deepen it some more, I'm gonna go into the shadow called Crazy right here, which is just a darker burgundy shadow. And just run that right here, like in my outer V. And then if I need to blend, I'm just going to use the Dome Shadow Brush by Row Techniques. Just to blend any harsh lines out. Just going to finish off my face before finishing up my eyes. because I do want to drag that shadow on my lower lash line as well. I got that real bad habit of putting like any mirror in the middle of what I'm filming. I hate it. By the way, I'm just using a Real Techniques beauty sponge, which are like my friggin' fave. Using the Airspun translucent powder just to bake. So I'm using the Morphe AL. This is the Lo-Fi Sculpt and Highlight and Contour palette. I thought it was a Sculpt one. But I like to use Donut, which is this shade right here. And then I'm just using Real Techniques Blush Brush. This is like my favorite friggin' brush. And that's why. So I'm going to take the Kylie bronzer. This is in the shade Almond. And I'm just going to kind of deepen it up some more. This is more of a darker shade. So just want to bronze up some more. Here comes my way. Hi, Bam. You coming? Hi, babe. Hi. Alright, I'm gonna apply my lashes and I'll be back.